Hey there everyone, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog, and I'm gonna do a dance move. Give me a minute. Here we go. Okay, ready? I went all the way out of the camera range. Here we go. Ready? Man. Alright, ready? Alright, ready? I'm trying to break dance. Whoa, I did that one time. Yeah. Man, I can't do it as well. Ow. I can't do it as well as when we're filming. Ow. That hurts. Whoa, you should have saw that. I was going like, I went for like 6 seconds and then I fell. Yeah, like that. Cool, huh? Man.